this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to place in a SIM card in your Xiaomi phone. So this is easy to do on this version. I just have to locate the SIM card tray. Mine's on the left side here. You can see a small hole right below it. You're going to get this little tool that came with the phone or your SIM card. Or you can just use some earrings and just place it into here. A little bit of effort will pop out this tray. And then we can remove it. And here's my SIM card. Now if you have a larger slot like this is for an SD card. The SIM cards are smaller, and this one's got an international version, so I have two different SIM cards. So just place your SIM card in here. And it's going to just kind of rest in there. Keep it level, slide it in, and it'll automatically detect it. Now you can look right here, I'm going to get an internet signal or a signal on the top. It should do this automatically, and you should be able to use your phone. Now, depending on your service, you might get a little text message that says, you connected it. You can also go to settings right here, and then choose mobile networks, and you can see your SIM card under here as well as your phone number with that SIM. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.